How do you connect Zego with Uber Eats? Let's get started. First, navigate to the website of Zego or launch the Zego app. Create an account. Sign up with your personal details, including your email and phone number. Then choose a delivery insurance policy that covers food delivery for platforms like Uber Eats. During sign-up process, provide details such as your vehicle type, vehicle registration, proof of standard motor insurance, and your driving license. Upload any requested documents, including your ID and vehicle documents if required. Now head over to the app Uber Eats, log into your account. Uber Eats requires proof of valid delivery insurance. Once you have purchased your Zego policy, Zego will provide a certificate of insurance. Go to the document section in the Uber app and upload your Zego insurance certificate. Uber Eats will review the insurance document. Approval typically takes 24 to 48 hours but may vary. Once a Zego insurance is approved by Uber Eats, your account will become active for deliveries. By following these steps, you can seamlessly connect Zego insurance with your Uber Eats delivery account and start working with peace of mind. If this guide helped you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.